Alright guys, I just got the keys to the new crib. Look at it. There's the space for the bed. I'm moving in a day, so it's still really empty right now, but I'm thinking of putting the bed right there. And then we got the living room. I'm envisioning like a couch here on the side and then a TV finally. I haven't had a TV ever. And then my desk would be somewhere here. But I think the highlight of the whole place is the actual views outside. The views are crazy, and that's honestly why I really came here. I'm very happy about this new place. My previous apartment, which I'll show you guys, it's very small, and I've been living there for a year. It was a decent apartment to be like my first apartment here in Helsinki, but this is definitely a much needed upgrade for me. I'm gonna show you guys the old apartment first, and then I'll dive into the details of how much rent costs and everything like that. All right, y'all, I lost my cameraman, so I have to show you guys this current house that I'm in by myself. So the footage might not be as good. So yeah, I'll just show you the whole apartment. It's really not much. So first, we got the bathroom here. It's a pretty good sized bathroom. I feel like this bathroom takes up too much space from the apartment itself. But yeah, decent bathroom. I like the mirror lights here. I feel like it adds a good touch. Then if we go to the actual living area, I apologize for the mess. I'm moving. Give me a break. We have some closet space for my clothes and my bed. My bed takes up literally half of my living space, so I'm glad I have a actual place for the bed in the new place. And yeah, this is legit it. This is everything. There's not much space to actually live in here with. I'll show you guys the balcony as well. This is the balcony. There's these nice glass windows. You can see outside. It's honestly pretty nice. But yeah, as you can see, this place is not very big, but it'll always be special to me because it was my first ever place in Helsinki. I got to know the city in this apartment. I started my YouTube channel in this apartment. I served in the military in this apartment, so a lot of important things happened to me while I lived here, so it'll be special to me, of course, but at the same time, I'm excited to live in a bigger space because this place, it's so small. It's really so small. There's like nothing going on here, really. By the way, guys, look. I hate living at this apartment because look, bro. There's silkworms. He's on the roof, bro. Like, what do I do? All right, y'all. I gave the keys back now. I don't have my old crib's keys anymore, and I'm fully committed to this new place. Now, I'm pretty much done unpacking, but the place is still a bit empty. Like, I'm missing a TV now. My desk setup is legit just my laptop. Like, I already bought a keyboard and a mouse and a trackpad, but I don't have a monitor yet. I'm waiting for that new studio display, so it'll still take a while for me to have this whole crib ready. And yeah, I just wanted to talk a bit about like why I made this move in the first place. Now, of course, a big reason for this move was the views. The views are amazing from this apartment. And you can even see people walking on the ice right now. Like, the water over there is so frozen that people are just walking around on the ice. It's really cool to just be able to see everything from here. We're so high up. I'm not going to tell you what floor I'm in to just not dox myself, but yeah, we're pretty high up. I'm happy with this, for real. This apartment has big natural windows. There's a lot of light coming in. And as you guys saw from the previous apartment, it was small. Here I have space to just walk around and kind of context switch. When I'm going to bed, I have a separate place for my bed. When I want to work, I have kind of this working area that I'm still figuring out. And I also have a couch here and a TV in the future, hopefully. And yeah, in my previous apartment, I kind of tried to separate my bed and my working area, like the table, with that little clothing rack there. But I don't know, it is difficult. Like, I worked fully remote for a while and it was hard to just separate the areas, you know, especially in a place that small. So here I can do that much better. I already feel it. Like, I don't get really lazy because my bed is so far away from where I'm locked in. And also, if I'm feeling sluggish, there's a co-working room up there. I can go there to get some work done. And I'm in a shopping center. There's a cafe down there. There's so many cafes down there that I can just go to, right? So this place is perfect for just locking in, I feel like. Now for the important questions. How big is the apartment and how much do I pay for this every month? So right now, this current apartment is 36 square meters. I don't know what that is in feet. I'll put it up on the screen though. And every month I pay about 1,100 euros to live here. That includes rent, water, electricity, all of that. And that's like $1,300, I guess. I'm paying all that by myself. I live alone in this space. I don't have a roommate. So yeah, all that's coming out of my pocket. But I really think it's worth it, at least in this like phase of life or whatever. Because, you know, I'm just a young dude. Like, this whole place here has been my dream for so many years. And yeah, I had to fulfill that dream the second I earned enough money, right? And I earn enough money where I can comfortably live here and I can save every month. I'm fine here now. In my previous job, I could have lived here already, but you know, it was a bit iffy. Now I was ready to make that risk and that move, actually. Because moving is always risky, kind of. Like, you never know what's going to happen, right? But yeah, man, it's so beautiful. I find myself just looking outside so many minutes a day and just enjoying this view. It is beautiful. I see the sunrise, I see the sunset. It's crazy. Like, wow. Sorry, I got distracted by the view. Let's go back to the concrete stuff. My old place, it was about 24 square meters with everything included, and I paid around 900 a month after all the bills were counted in together. So, I don't know. This isn't that much more, and I feel like I'm getting much more space to live. It's been so nice. I've lived here for like around a week and a half now, like full-time lived here, and bro, I still can't comprehend this. Whenever I come home, I'm like, oh my god, like the view. Whenever I wake up, I'm like, oh my god, the view. Like, I don't know, I'm really happy about this place. But yeah, I'm really putting effort into my living space this year. I made a New Year's promise to myself to make my own life as easy as possible and just to invest in myself more, and this is me doing that. You know, I bought a new setup. I bought this Dyson air thingy because I have really bad dust allergy and all of that. Like, I'm buying new stuff just to make my life better, and I feel like it motivates me to work even more. Some might call it a huge consumerism. I mean, which it is consumerism, but also I feel like I'm investing money in the right things. Like, I bought this Libernovo chair. I bought this new desk. I feel like all of this stuff will end up benefiting me in the long run, and the cost per use will go down a lot in the future. These are things that I thought would be worth investing in because they will last me for years. Then I won't need to buy them again, right? But you guys aren't getting a full house tour or a full setup tour until I'm happy with them and done with them. I don't want to like show an unfinished product, I guess, if that makes sense. But yeah, it's my new home. I'm happy. Just the fact that if I need to buy groceries, I just go downstairs. Like, it's amazing. I live on top of a mall. This is crazy. This is the life I've dreamed of for like 2, 3, 4 years already. It's crazy making like my past self proud. All those hours that I put into work, this is like a taste of what it feels like to get results, right? Being able to move here, being able to fulfill your dreams, it really feels amazing. So I recommend you guys get to work. Life like this is crazy. Obviously, it's not that easy. I've been working for years to get to a point where I can sustain this, but I recommend you trying, bro. It's worth it, trust me. I feel amazing. But yeah, work ain't done yet. Obviously, there's a long way to go. I want to achieve a lot in my life, and I'm ready to put in the work for that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you want to see a proper house tour, a proper setup tour, and if you're just excited for the content I will make from this place. Because, hey, I'm excited. But yeah, I'm going to see you guys later. I'll be posting more tech content, things like that. I feel like the major life changes have stopped now. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. See ya.